Hello Ride-On people. Well, it's October the 2nd and it's becoming quite autumnal out here. As you can see the state of my deck, the leaves are falling fast and temperatures are cooling down, which is nice for riding. And talking of riding, if you are in Georgia particularly, or you're just a Triumph fan and you're visiting, tomorrow, October the 3rd, Triumph Roswell will open its doors officially for business. Now, I've been working with the owner behind the scenes for a few months, as has a fellow Ride-On crew member Eric, and we've been helping in a kind of advisory capacity from a kind of customer board feedback, if you like, helping them set up shop and getting everything ready. And tomorrow will be the official opening day. They will have people from the local motorcycle training academy to talk to people that would like to learn how to pass their test and ride a bike. They will have lots of cool Britannia type stuff, telephone boxes and a Beatles tribute band playing and all sorts of good stuff. It'll be a fun day, I think. So if you're around tomorrow, short video, but if you're around tomorrow and you can make it there on the Sunday for their official opening day, do drop by, and if not, drop by another time. It's a very cool, eclectic place. They have a proper fabrication shop in the workshop where they do cool custom stuff, not just for Triumph but for other bikes as well. They also have an in-house dyno, and they also have a really cool, trendy, eclectic coffee shop as part of the building itself as well. So you can always drop by, get a coffee, get something to eat, and look around the beautiful Triumphs and speak to everybody. The main man in sales is called Trenton. Ask for Trenton, tell him I sent you. If you are approaching them for marketing opportunities, reach out to Maddie, and if you need to speak with the owner, his name is Gordon. Anyway, just a short video. If you happen to be in the local area, do drop by Triumph Roswell.
Hey you, if you want to become one of the Ride-On people, don't forget to subscribe. Ride often, ride carefully, ride on.